Hello everyone, today I am going to show the unboxing of Polychromos 36. It's my first video to show a review on Polychromos 36 pencils. It's from amazon.ae. I have purchased from there, and you can see the packaging, and here is the bill. You can see it's from Dubai to my place, Fujairah. Now I'm going to show the unboxing of this product. Let's open. They have really packaged very well. You can see here. You can see here complimentary gift from their side. I think it was given by the shipped colorme.store, from where it was shipped to Amazon. Let's see the information. Complimentary art eraser. Thank you for shopping with us. Yes, it was given by the colorme.store, and the art eraser is used for color, like you can use it for pencil shading, and it's really good for pencil shading, and also it can be used for color pencil art and drawings. Let's open it. We can see it. How is it? And it was gifted by the shop. It was free gift. You can see here, it's complimentary art eraser. Really good. Faber Castell native art eraser. It can be used so smoothly for art drawings, pencil shadings, color pencil shading. Now let's open the box. I know everyone is eager to see that. It's really smooth. It's covered by the plastic. It's 36 Polychromos color pencil. You can see here. And it's made in Germany. Okay, let's open. The package is really well done by amazon.ae, and also the colorme.store. It shows that how much original the product is. It's really smooth. The product is really new. I know this video will be helpful for most of the review who wants to see that how the 36 Polychromos box will be and how the colors will be. Many people search on YouTube for that, so that's why I have made this video. You can see here different colors are available. Let's open it. And the box is made of tin and made in Germany. You can open it. Wow, it's really amazing. There they have given the booklet at the box. There are different colors given here and different types of box. We have also the book for colors techniques. You can see one by one. There are many techniques given here. You can review it and learn something from the booklet also. The blending techniques and the color mixing techniques. There are different colors. There are lots of colors, also lots of colors available. You can purchase more colors too if you need it more. It's really smooth. Let's see, check out one color pencil. can see it's really smooth and it's sharpened really nicely, and it's really smooth. Texture of the pencil is really nice. It's really nice. All the color pencils are really smooth. Let's see that by zooming. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it helped you a lot. It was my first video. Please do subscribe and like the video. All the artists who all are watching this, you can see really zooming. You can use this all colors for the portrait drawing. Thank you.